Which is better, 3Commas or Pionex?
Both 3Commas and Pionex stand out in the crypto trading bot arena, each catering to different trader profiles. For platform type, 3Commas is a versatile trading platform that integrates with over 24 exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, and Kraken, and more. Pionex, on the other hand, is an exchange with built-in trading bots, eliminating the need for external integration. Commas, pricing starts with 337 per month. We also have an expert subscription here which offers $59 per month. For Pionex, it is free to use with a 0.05% trading fee per transaction. I suggest to choose 3Commas with those who are experienced traders seeking advanced features and multi-exchange support. Also, choose Pionex for beginners looking for all-in-one solution with integrated bots and lower fees.